Hello everybody, Mark the Scallion here, and today I am starting my journey around the world through food. So I have 220 places in mind, and I've written every single place on these popsicle sticks in this basket. So as we go along, I will be scratching out each country. My goal for 2021 is to get through this entire basket by the end of the year. So I invite you all to come with me, but before we start, let's see where we're gonna go. All right, boom. Pick Romania. All right, I don't think I've ever had Romanian food, so Papanasi is on the menu, which is a sweet and savory cheese donut. So let's go ahead and get started. Burrata cheese, sugar, orange zest, baking soda, 1 egg, vanilla extract, flour. Just gonna mix that up, make sure it's really incorporated. Right now, it's pretty well incorporated, so we're gonna form a ball and let it rest for 15 minutes. To get some flour, do a little dusting, and get our cheese flour donut ball and put it on here. All right, so I got the dough and I am dividing them into 4 balls, and I added more flour to make it more pliable, so if you need to do that, go ahead and do so. So what we're going to do with these is make 4 donuts and 4 donut holes to go with it. So as you can see here, we have 4 large balls and 4 small ones, and we do it like this. Pretty easy, just use your thumb and make a dough circle, and look, now we have our donut. So there you have it. We have our 4 donuts here and our 4 donut holes. So let's go ahead and fry them. All right, so the oil has been going for a few minutes now, and now's the fun part where we get to deep fry our Papanasi. So here we go. Woo. So we are going to be doing 2 minutes per side. They are frying beautifully. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes. Let me flip them over. Oh, there we go. All right. And as you can see here, they are a beautiful golden brown. We're ready to take out. All right, so we are going to finish this off with our donut holes. So let's go ahead and throw these babies in there. Ah! Ah! You're making me scared of it. I'm usually fearless. Okay. All right, here we go. We got our 4 donut holes in. These babies are looking just about ready, so let's go ahead and take them out. And we have our Papanasi here, and we're going to finish them off with some cream and jelly. Donut, the Greek yogurt, jelly right here. Boom, with these donut holes, place it right on top. Put a little bit more Greek yogurt, and another dollop right here on top. And there you have it, folks, is Romanian Papanasi. Enjoy. All right, moment of truth. All right, now we get to scratch out Romania. 1 down and 219 more to go. All right, next up, we will be cooking a food from Tibet.